So we're gonna install the Viking Street Division saddlebags on my Ninja 400. And we took the seat off and put these clips underneath as additional support, and we also are going to tether down here onto the rear foot pegs. So let's stick them on. So we stick it here on the passenger seat, kind of rest like that. And they have a bunch of tie downs that come with it, and we got extra tie downs as well. Clip these guys on here, get it anchored to the seat, and we'll tighten it down. We'll do the same on the other side. So we take this bigger strap and we're going to pass it through under and attach it to the rear pegs. Kind of have to leave it. Attach it to the bag here and get it on the other side. Now that we've attached these ones here, just going to attach the last small one back here. So we got 2 clips holding it from behind and 2 areas holding it from the front. It's not going to slide around too much. And now we're going to pack all of our stuff for our ride today. They open up from the top here, and even though it's raining right now, all these bags come with little ponchos that you can put on top to protect all of your stuff in from the rain, but I don't think it's going to rain too hard, and this is pretty weather resistant already, so we're going to leave off the ponchos for now. Got a lot of space in there, so we're just going to put everything we need for our trip, including snacks. And more snacks. And more snacks. Girls gotta eat, okay? And Leatherman. And battery block. So I basically have a whole tote bag in here, and there's still so much space. So I'm looking forward to using these to commute to work as well. There's so much more room in here, but I'm just gonna put stuff on the other side to balance the weight. You can see like the leather out here is really nice. Like rain's running right off it. Everything's pretty weather resistant. Actually, there's so much space. I'm just gonna put the whole bag in there. And there's still more room. I'm so used to carrying everything on my back with a backpack, and I'm so looking forward to not having to deal with all that weight today when we drive around for hours and hours in the mountains. Let's see how they fare on the street. So we started with some light riding, and so far no movement on the bags at all. They are very sturdy on there. These straps are holding on great. So we're gonna continue our ride and see how they continue going. Okay, so even after racing my partner on the road, these bags haven't moved at all. They are exactly where I left them, no slip, and even the strap underneath, totally secure, didn't move anywhere. You can see it right there. So that was great, no problem. One thing to note is I'm using an aftermarket exhaust on my bike. The stock exhaust will be a little close to the bottom of the bags, and that was a concern for me, so definitely better with a shorter pipe on a Ninja 400, just something to keep in mind. Otherwise, this bag set is perfect. Who said sport bikes can't have saddlebags?